SeqBuilder offers a lot of flexibility in terms of how you want to view your sequence and its annotations through the use of layout files. When you first open up a sequence in SeqBuilder, if you're using the default settings, the view that you'll see will be similar to the one that I'm looking at here, where there are two panes. The top one is showing the sequence view, and the bottom pane is showing the feature list view. This layout, as well as the information that's being displayed by default, for example, the fact that we're only seeing the top strand of sequence in the sequence view and we're not seeing ORFs or features displayed, all of that information is controlled by a layout file. Now when you install Lasergene, you automatically install several different layout files that you can apply to your sequences. To do that, you simply go to the View menu and choose Apply Layout Template, and that opens up the Templates directory. And as you can see, there are several different options here. One that I'll point out is the EditSeq layout file. I'll go ahead and open that. So if you're a longtime EditSeq user and you're transitioning to using SeqBuilder, you can select this layout file to have SeqBuilder display your sequences in a very similar way to EditSeq. I'm going to go back to the Templates directory. And just to show you one more as an example, the ORFs close-up layout file that will display your sequence in the sequence view by default, along with all of the translations and all 6 ORFs. So I'm going to go back to the templates directory. And again, there are several additional layout files you can choose from. I'm going to go ahead and switch back to the Lasergene 8 default layout, which is what we started with. Now, you don't have to use the layout files we supply. You can also create your own very easily. And to do that, all you need to do is adjust the views so that they're displayed the way you want and turn on the information you want to see displayed. So, for example, let's say that I want to keep the sequence view on top, but I want to change the bottom to the comment view. So I'm going to open up the curtain by dragging from the left on the bottom pane and selecting comment. And then I can hide the curtain again by just dragging it off the window. And let's say that I want to show some features and some enzymes. So I'm going to expand the enzymes folder and open up the selectors folder. And let's turn on unique sites so that unique enzymes are displayed by default. And then if I scroll down here, I'm going to open up the features displayed folder. And let's choose to display some gene features, miscellaneous features, and promoter features. And I'm going to go ahead and make the curtain a little smaller on this side. And once you have it the way that you want it, you just go up to the View menu, and then you have a couple different options. You can either choose to save layout as template, to save this as another layout file that you can then apply later to other files, or you can choose to save layout as default template, which will automatically apply this layout to all new sequence files that you open. So I'm going to save it as my default. One other thing to mention that's related to layout files are default feature styles. As you can see, when I selected the different feature types to display, each type was displayed in a different style. So the gene features are shown as bright green boxes, the promoters are shown in purple, the miscellaneous features are shown in orange. These styles are controlled by the layout file. So if I want miscellaneous features to be shown as a different color, for example, all I have to do is select that feature type from the curtain. So I'm going to click on it, and then right click and select Edit Feature Style. And that opens up the Feature Style dialog. And from here I can change the color, the shape of the feature, and several other attributes of the style. So I'm going to just change the fill to pink. And once I've made that change, I can go back to the View menu and save layout as default template again. And now my new miscellaneous feature style will be included in the default layout that I'm using. So that summarizes how to use layout files in SeqBuilder. If you have further questions, please visit our website at DNASTAR.com or contact us at support@DNASTAR.com.